How to turn off airplane mode on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off airplane mode on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you find yourself in airplane mode and need to get back to the real world, whether you have just landed from a flight or accidentally activated it while trying to check your notifications, turning off airplane mode is quick and easy. Simply open the settings on your Android phone. On the section, select for the option of connection and sharing at top of the screen. Under this section, you will find different options. At the top, you will find out airplane mode. Simply, you need to toggle the button on in order to turn on airplane mode. But if you want to turn it off, simply turn or tap on airplane mode and then turn the blue color button to gray color, and this will help us to turn off the airplane mode on our device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.